Hello, welcome to the next in the series of review clips designed to assist you in preparing for your Biology 3201 public examination. In this clip, we'll be taking a look at the timeline of evolution. If we recognize evolution as being a process that occurs over time, we need to ask ourselves the very important question, how long has it taken for evolution to occur, and from what did it start from? The answer to that question is that life is believed to have begun over 3,500 million years ago with the earliest of cells. Evolution, change over time, has been taking place since the very earliest beginnings of life on this planet. Fossil evidence has indicated that about 3.5 million years ago, very simple cells began forming. These gave way to more complex organisms. The evidence indicates that around 540 million years ago, marine clams, worms, etc. began developing in the oceans. Approximately 100 million years later, the first evidence of fishes present themselves at 439 million years. Life started developing on land about 245 million years ago with the onset and development of dinosaurs, large reptiles. In between the two, between fish and the dinosaurs, we know that amphibians first arose and developed. Approximately 66 million years ago, the first evidence of mammals were presented, and about 1.6 million years ago, the first evidence of humans were present on this planet. In between dinosaurs and mammals, of course, the development of birds took place. And as time progressed, life got continually more and more complex, from the single-celled up to our modern life forms on this planet. We can really look at evolution as being twofold. Initially, there was a chemical evolution. This began about 1 billion years ago. The Earth's early crust and atmosphere began to form initially. Following that, there was the development of small organic molecules in the seas. These collected to form larger organic molecules. And then when they conformed, when they joined together, this gave rise to the first protocells. About 4 billion years ago, as opposed to 5 billion, chemical evolution really began, we started seeing the development of single-cell prokaryotes, which gave rise to eukaryotes, which gave rise to a host of multicellular organisms, first in the seas, later on land. This constitutes biological evolution. So evolution, if we consider it to be a change in a population's genetic makeup through successive generations, can be termed to be macroevolution, long-term, large-scale evolutionary changes, versus microevolution, which are small genetic changes that occur in a population. Remember, a gene pool is all the genes in the individual of a population, and mutations, which give rise to changes, are random changes in the structure and number of DNA molecules. So, just to repeat, evolution is defined as the relative change that occurs in the characteristics of populations that occurs over successive generations. It's marked by a change in the gene pool of a population. Adaptations are a particular structure, physiology, or behavior that helps an organism survive and reproduce in a particular environment. Variation are the range of traits that a population possesses. Public examinations have seen questions that present the following. Which organisms first appeared on Earth? Clams, dinosaurs, and fishes certainly appeared a significant number of years ago, but the simplest form of all of these are the single-celled organisms D. It was these organisms that were the first to appear on our planet. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you found this learning clip to be helpful.